Welcome to the final video of this life-changing series. In the previous videos, we explored how our interpretations, actions, and beliefs influence our emotional well-being. We started building our life evaluation line, a powerful tool to identify and modify our irrational beliefs. Today, I'll guide you through the exercise step by step and reveal how to use it to transform your life.
Now that you have your life evaluation line drawn, it's time to fill it in with your own experiences and beliefs. Let's start by defining the extremes. Terrible. What would terrible mean to you? Like, something that could happen that you couldn't handle, or that would stop you from ever getting better. Think about situations that, right now, you feel fit that description. Awesome. What would awesome mean to you? Like, something that could happen that would make you totally happy, not just happy, but happy for the rest of your life? Take a minute to think about these questions and write down your answers at the ends of your line.
Now, fill in the spaces in between with situations that fit each category. Really bad, bad, normal, good, and really good. Remember to be honest with yourself and think critically about your beliefs. Like, are you sure winning the lottery would make you happy forever? Or that losing your job would be the end of the world? It's important to remember that our perceptions are subjective, and we can change how we see things. Like Epictetus said, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. A lot of times, our irrational beliefs make us blow things out of proportion and underestimate our ability to handle them.
Now that you have your life evaluation line complete, it's time to use it to transform your life. The goal is to bring your experiences and beliefs closer to the middle, to the normal category. This doesn't mean we should settle for mediocrity, but that we should learn to see things more objectively and build our resilience. When you face a situation that makes you feel bad, ask yourself, where would I put this on my life evaluation line? Is it really as terrible as I think? What can I do to move it closer to the middle? I encourage you to use this exercise regularly in your life and leave us your comments about your experiences. And if there's anything you've managed to move from the extremes, and if you've been able to move things into more positive, inspiring categories, leave us your comments. And if you're really into the content we create for this channel, give us a like and subscribe to the channel so you can keep up with the content we produce with all our heart and top-notch professionalism. Because just because you see a video with fancy graphics doesn't mean there aren't people behind it working hard every day to bring you the best content. Keep hanging out with us at Unlock Your Potential, a channel made for you, based on what you're interested in and what can help you out. Until next time. And nothing we've said here is meant to be the absolute truth or magic. It's just emotional intelligence put into practice to live a better life.